सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार। चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के, फिक्र ना करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के। सरे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार, आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार। चिल्लर तो नोट बना के, मेहंदी रात पे खुल के लुटा, चिंगारियों को विस्फोट बना के, अय्याशी के तू रॉकेट छुड़ा। कैसा डर तू कर गुजर ये काम शानदार, ओ आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार।
Having the evening, not morning. So that is the energy is low. Alright, so what's the news? The meeting starts? No! Alright, so I want everyone over here, anyone who can tell us one memory you had with Suresh Khan. Anyone can opt in. I don't force anyone, so I don't pass the mic around. Anyone, it can be anyone among the guests, a family, friends, anyone. We're going to be recording this and I'm going to make a highlight, so आपको highlight में भी लाऊंगे. And you know when SJ puts it on social media, you have so many views. Yes? Yes, anyone. You have to stand up. Because ये नहीं सब लोग पहले से बात करते नहीं.
इसको दो mic.
Yes?
बहुत better.
Alright, we go one by one.
One by one. I start from here.
Alright, so ma'am, we'll start with you. And you will know personally also.
Yeah.
Can we have a video of the first one? One memory of yours that you would like to share. This is 50th. Alright, the base rule is tonight it's going to be special and it is our job to make it even more special. Are you guys with me?
Yeah.
The remaining guests, are you guys with me? Yes. I can't hear you. Are you guys with me? Alright, so it's our duty कि हम लोग इतना आए हैं travel करके and we have to make it special for him and he's done amazing arrangements for all of us over here. Yeah? And यहाँ पे सीमा भी थोड़ा cheating कर रही है, लेकिन मैं पहले पूछ लेती हूँ कौन सा memory share करूँ.
पड़ोसी बिल्डिंग में भी पड़ोसी
Alright. आप एक काम आप decide करें. I'll just add it in the highlights of his video. Anyone? Okay, I'm gonna pick one people, ma'am. Alright, can I know your good name?
My name is Soni Rawat.
Alright, Soni ji, how are you related to SJ and One Memory?
I am his cousin sister actually.
फिर तो बहुत memories होंगी.
Yeah, right from childhood I know him very well. So what I can say is that yes, since I know him from childhood, I have seen him grow. So he's a very, very self-made man and I'm really proud of it. So that's the memory that I have about him.
Awesome, can you a big round of applause? Self-made man. Can you come on यार, तालियां बजाओ यार, थोड़ा तालियां बजाओ. ऐसे कंजूसी मत करो. And let's go to B&K. इतने लोगों थोड़ा ताली वाली बजा के बोलो yes or no? All right, so I request everyone to come and get settled this side so that we can do a beautiful.
Every morning with Suresh, okay, and he comes and picks me up and we go for a tea and I meet him. So something which he got me connected to is Puneet Khurana and his morning aartis. Oh, they are so mind-blowing and thank you Suresh for doing that for me.
Awesome. So I want everyone to keep clapping after every memory because this is something new you're going to learn about him as and when people keep sharing. So it's a new learning. Yes, मैं आपको पकड़ता हूँ. Yes. Because आपने help किया. ये वाला point बता. Yes. Yes, sir. Your good name. Shiv Bansal. Sir, one memory with SJ. Yeah. अरे हो जाइए. People can see you then. Yes. Absolutely a good friend, and I know him from many years actually, right from the Nokia 6610 was launched actually, and after that many phones were bought from him only. And the one phone which I still have is BlackBerry Bold, excellent phone, and still it's working. And any service, one-stop solution, Suresh Kumar. Yeah, big round of applause for him.
Mr. Suresh from 1988 when he started the cassette, and he was so down to earth, and still I am finding him the same down to earth. He is excellent. Congratulations Suresh, happy 15th birthday.
क्या बात है जोरदार तालियां. I want the applauses to keep going. Yes, anyone else? Yes, sir. Can I also have one more mic meanwhile, Sani? Yes, really easy. Okay. Yes, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Raj Kriplani. The best memory, I do buy mobiles for my staff and myself from them only. But the best thing I remember is during the lockdown, when he was able to coordinate to give food to the people who were not able to access food. The way he went out, left his business, devoted his time, God bless him. All the best, Suresh. Happiest 50th, 60th, 70th, 100th. God bless.
क्या बात है जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. What a great memory. Yes, कोई और है who can come in and share a memory? You want to share a memory? आप आ जाओ. Let's start highlighting people who are sharing the memory. आ जाओ. Come on. There's more lighting, no? It's better. All right. Yes. Check.
My name is Jeet Raval. I remember the time when I used to visit his house as a child. He used to have a glass shelf of, toy cars and stuff. And then I would ask you if I could play with them, and then you'll say no because you're very particular for his toy cars and stuff. So yeah.
Can you have a big round of applause? So we have all age groups having amazing memories. So are you all excited to meet him? Yes.
देखो कौन आ गया है, जमाने पे जो छा गया है, जमी पे सब लिखा है, खुली किसकी खातिर है पाए। बहुत ही खतरनाक हूँ मैं, हर एक पल में चालाक हूँ मैं।
Alright, so we have the birthday boy over here. Can we have him on the dais for just a moment? So nice to see so many family, friends, folks, all of you have come together. I think a big round of applause for you guys also for making it this far, this great, with so much love and energy. A big round of applause. There you go. And finally we have the man over here. Can we make some noise? Together in one note, can we all wish him happy birthday? Are you guys with me? 3, 2, 1. एक हर आदमी के लिए एक रेस्पेक्ट होता है, and this guy has taken that respect to a next level. I've seen him so down to earth. He's met every single person he could meet on the way. कोई ऐसे एंट्री नहीं कि हाँ भाई मेरा बर्थडे में आके मैं खड़ा हो जाऊं. Sir, ultimate respect, sir. Fantastic. This guy is too good. 50th बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. कितने लोगों को पता है, कितने लोगों को नहीं पता? लेट मी आस्क द वे कि ये एबी के फैन नहीं है, मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन के. किसको ऐसा पता है कि नहीं है फैन? ऐसा कोई है यहाँ पे? सर आपका 50th है, थोड़ा सा रैगिंग बनता है सर. एक अमिताभ बच्चन का स्टाइल और एक डायलॉग. यस, हम लोग द मोमेंट वी एंटर्ड वी सॉ एबी एवरीवेयर. आई वाज लाइक वाओ सर. एंड देयर वर फ्यू पीपल आस्किंग मी कि सर बच्चन सर आ रहे हैं आज बॉम्बे से. मैं बोला सर बच्चन सर से बड़े यहाँ पे हैं. वन डायलॉग फॉर माइक में इनके लिए. ये क्या मस्ती कर क्या? ऑलराइट, एनीथिंग एल्स सर? हाय बोला. Alright, a big round of applause once again for our birthday boy. I think let's make it special by making a lot of noise, having a lot of fun. In the next 90 minutes, you guys have to be with me, dance with me, do all the entertainment you can. Are you with me? Yes? Alright, sir. आप बड़े बैठ जाइए. You're also sweating. I know it's very hot. Alright, so we have a lot of entertainment for you guys lined up. So जो लोग आ सकते हैं, बैठ सकते हैं, बैठ जाए. जो लोग खड़े हैं, वो भी enjoy करें, आगे आ जाए. We have amazing artists over here with us this evening. And I have a little musty with SJ sir and the guys and the crowd. How many of you are very, very close to SJ? Raise your hands. Very, very close. Everyone is supposed to raise your hands. Hello. आप इनके 50th birthday पे आए हो. You are close. That's why you guys are over here. I want everyone to raise their hands. Yes. Can we see everyone's hands up? Everyone's hands up. Yes. बाकी hands up नहीं कर रहे. नहीं हमको खाना नहीं मिला. हम लोग नहीं मिले. पहले खाना दो. ऐसा नहीं होता है. पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है, फिर रिटर्न आता है. So I want everyone to be with me. There's some activity I've planned where I want all of you to be with me. Yes. So please support me and we'll make sure that his birthday can become special. But before that, we have a special act by amazing two artists from Bangalore, and we would like to call them upon so that we can give their introduction. Can we have the artists for a fantastic LED act? So Shruti and team, are you guys over here? Yes. Yeah, so
Shruti, and this is my partner Gautam. We are a team of flow artists from Bangalore. I think I don't want to give much of introduction. You guys could see what we are doing. I think you'll love it.
all right, action speaks louder than words. Fantastic. So we're all set. All right. Whoa! Whoa! Can we have a big round of applause for Gautam and Shruti? Wow! Amazing, amazing! ये जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार, come on guys, amazing talent भैया. Right away. Yes, I would love that. Dr. Deepak, Rakesh Jain, Navneet, हरिहरन. मैं जिनका नाम बुला रहा हूं आपको आना पड़ेगा, मैंडेटरी है. बकुल, राम जी, आर के. ये फ्रेंड्स है. वाओ. All right, so I want all the friends gang to come over here. So now it's going to be, have you heard of handicap matches? Yes, so it's going to be a handicap match. So Suresh is going to be in one team and all of you are going to be in one team. Yes, it's going to be very easy. Yes, so can we have Ezra over here? And all the teams over here. Yes, remaining members. Aajo. Together. Okay, and this can be viewed by everyone, so it's for everyone. He's going to be having some placards in his heart. And you have to make him guess what's written on that. It's very easy Damsharaj. You know Damsharaj, right? Yep. Yes, so you just have to act, no speaking. Strictly no speaking. Yes, and if he gets all the answers, you get a prize. Yes? Are you ready? Yes. Are you all ready? Yes. Yes? Alright, so I'm going to get the placards with me. Everybody together. Yes, everyone together, come on.
No, why don't open.
He can see, I understood. The light कुछ ज़्यादा ही ineffective है. Alright, the second one is not be able to see now because I'm going to keep behind this now. I can't see actually. Now he can't see it. Come on, anyone can act in that. Anyone can act. Anyone. Come on. You need to guess what they're doing. You just need to guess. Wow! Awesome. This is going to jump. Proper one. Proper. He's so excited to see. Correct answer ही नहीं है. All right. Mobile charging. Proper one. Charge mobile. Power bank. One. He's telling you one word. So nice. He's. Charger. Yeah. All right, he's got it. This is the easiest one. Easiest. Mobile king. Shop. Mobile zone. Oh, ये आपके marketing के लिए. क्या बात है? Now he's getting it faster. In the next one, I want everyone to be with. Huh? This is going to be easy. Next one.
उसका दूसरा नाम जो तुम आपने पहले बोला नहीं उसका नो उसका दूसरा नाम
मर्दों वाला. All right. I like it. I like the way the actions are going now. Anyone from the crowd can do that. Anyone from the crowd who makes him guess will get an award. One wrong, you'll not get the referral.
I don't know whether you're even thinking. Just think and say.
Tell the second one.
Bone broken.
नहीं.
Heart broken.
कब करेगा वो?
All right. Dance.
Dance floor. हाँ.
क्या करेगा वो?
Dance attack. हाँ. उसमें क्या करेगा? Shake.
All right, I'll tell it to him. He's Shah Rukh Khan. All right, in this, everyone, all of them have to help him with this. Everyone, come on, everyone. It's easy.
Om Shanti.
He's almost got it. Jai Shiv Shankar. Jai Shiv. Jai Om. I like this.
ट्राई करो भैया.
He's coming perfect. Wow.
पहला वर्ड करेक्ट था, दूसरा.
Yeah. Suresh, yeah.
Perfect. I think he's doing a fantastic job. Fantastic. I love this. I love. Yeah, there you go. One more. Yeah! Finally, got all except one. A big round of applause for all of you. आपके लिए स्पेशल प्राइज है अगले फ्राइडे मीटिंग में एक रेफरल देंगे. A big round of applause for SJ. Thank you so much. I want everyone's attention. How many of you have actually known SJ since this days? Anyone over here? Yes? There's one person. Yes, sir. आप आ जाइए यहाँ पे, because mic यहाँ पे आ जाइए. I like this. Can you have a big round of applause for him? I'll tell you why. A big round of applause for him. He came and he told his partner also, please साथ में आओ. This is very less people do that. Very few people in my life have seen him. Can we have a big round of applause? आपका नाम sir? Vishal Varma. Yes sir. Your memory now, since you know him since these days, your memory with SJ.
He's a very nice person. He's a very nice person from the young age only. He's very helpful and very helpful, kind, and what do you say?
Ice cream खाते ना?
Yeah. Very helpful, kind, and anytime he supports everyone.
In short, I must say that किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, he is that kind of a person. किसी का गम मिले तो ले उधार, he is that kind of a person.
Wow, क्या बात है? Right? Keep clapping here. Come on, you guys can do that. But thank you so much, Sarji. Thank you so much for sharing your memory. We will have a lot of more memories to see in this video. Can we resume and play the video? Whoa! Look at that! Anyone can tell where this trip was? Where was this trip? Pattaya! Is that the right answer? SJ? But how is he alone in Pattaya? Alright, and when was this, sir? How many years back? Wow, 1997. That's almost more than 20 years. It's almost 3 decades. अभी भी सेम लग रहा है कि नहीं? Yes or no? आपको yes बोलना पड़ेगा. ऐसा ही होता है बर्थडे में. Alright, can we resume the video? ये कहाँ पे था? सेम पटाया? फिर से पटाया गया? Yes, anyone? Who was there with him in this trip? Anyone from here? Who was there with him in this trip? Anyone? And this is one of the most special. SJ, sir, are you here? Suresh Bhaiya? So can you show us this tattoo? Can anyone tell what the tattoo is? What's the tattoo? Yes, I want you to tell it to everyone. Anyone? You know it? It's a sword. Okay, what is it?
Mention death before dishonor.
Wow. Can you show it everyone? Is it possible? Full suit mein? He'll show it later, after party. After party mein dekhenge. Alright, and when was this done, Suresh ji? 97. बहुत कांड साथ में किए. Alright, can we have the video? Yes. anyone say, obviously except Tanya ji, when was he married? 99. All right. So anyone can share a memory. Who was part of the wedding? Any memory? Yes.
We are a group of 7 to 8 friends, and we know Suresh from 1991 to be exact. And to tell you honestly, he is an achiever. God bless him. He used to drive the cycle with me, and he went to the moped, and from the moped he went to the two-wheeler. Then from there he went to the Maruti car. Then he bought the Swift car, and God has blessed him a lot.
Awesome. Can we have a big round of applause, sir? Your good name, sorry?
Yeah. My name is Rafiq.
Rafiq भाई के जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. मतलब now you can connect the dots. 97 में पटाया गए, 99 में शादी की. मतलब पहले सब कुछ करके and निपटा के then he said अभी शादी करेंगे. All right, so we connect the bachelors का भी हुआ था सुरेश भैया? पटाया में bachelors. चेन्नई में हुआ था. सुधर गए थे थोड़ा. All right, can we have the music? Always happy, always making people smile. That's Suresh Kumar for you, ladies and gentlemen. BNI people, make some noise! Anyone can say about this trip? Sunil, Naveen, जिनका नाम है, I request you to come over in the dais. Rafiq, Rafiq जी तो इधर ही है. आइए. Sunil, Naveen, Rafiq जी. All right. So can we have you over here? You need to share us a memory of this trip. क्या trip था? कब हुआ? कैसा था? आ जाइए. So this is all about getting to know him even better. So people might know one part of him and others might know the other part. So we're trying to mix everything, merge everything. Yes, Rafiq जी आ जाइए, यहाँ पे आ जाइए. नवीन कहाँ है?
तिरुपति गए थे.
सर मैं गोवा बैंकॉक समझ रहा था, तिरुपति निकल गया. All right then.
95. हम लोग 10 जने थे. We had gone. Good fun.
Any जोरदार ताली हो जाए. ये है सुरेश जुमानी, सेक्युलरिज्म जुमानी. I know, I understood that obviously. जोरदार ताली हो जाए इनके लिए. Great hats off to the memories that they have. And you guys are still together. That's the best part. And you still made it. So we are very glad. Can we have a big round of applause for Rafiq ji and Naveen and Sunil ji? जोरदार ताली हो जाए यार. Yes, can we? Because I am finding this video very interesting. I hope you are also. So I'm just trying to get little. Come. Yes, definitely. That's a regret, worth regret. लेकिन मुझे अभी आंटी जी आई थी, बोला था सुनील भैया started from cassette players. Cassettes आते थे. Remember we used to have side A, side B. I remember I was born then also. And then we had the CD players. And then he got evolved into mobile phones and access. So I think जोरदार तालियां हो जाए SJ, because the technology तो evolve हुई है, but he's also evolved with technology and been where he is today. जोरदार तालियां. I think you should make some more noise and some more energy with clapping यार. And BNI वाले आपसे तो बहुत बड़ा कंप्लेन है, तालियां बजाते नहीं हो. सुबह को तो उठो रहे उछल के तालियां बजाते हो. इधर तालियां बजाओ. All right, I'm just kidding. So yes, thank you so much Rafiq ji and Sunil ji.
One
more thing is, our legendary A.R. Rahman was his customer. He used to come by bus, stop at Music Point, buy the cassettes and go to the studio at D Nagar.
Wow, no, that's a big thing, huh? Imagine A.R. Rahman coming and buying cassettes. So fantastic. Again, like someone told me, he's come a long, long way. And the most important thing is he's a self-made man. So uske liye ज़ोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार for SJ. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Can we have the video? Any friends from this trip or any relatives from this trip over here? Anyone? Vikram? And a memory. आपको याद है ना?
We all dealers went for a meet. I think it's a Sony meet. So that we took the meet.
Fantastic. Zora Talia Ojai. So these are all memories that are coming to life. And this is what is added up to what SJ is 50 is today, his days. Can we have the video? Video? Where it all began. Wow. Blessings and lady luck, and we are talking about SJ and his 50, but there's a lot of part that his partner has also played. So big round of applause for Tanya ji for being along with him in the business, taking care and supporting as a true partner. That is very rare and that's a nice thing to see also. So Zora तालियां एक बार अच्छे से तालियां बजाओ, cheating मत करो. Yes, can we have the video? Any guesses what this award was? Can anyone say? Anyone? If Tanya ji can help us know more about this award. I'm going to come first time to you after the entire 1 hour now. Yes.
This is quite memorable for us. We were being invited by Radio City for the most achievable award for Gadget Store. That's for the Phoenix Store. Yeah, it's all his hard work, dedication. I'm just putting some of my efforts, a little bit I'm doing it. So this is a biggest, greatest achievement for me to that even I could do something for the family. Thank you.
I think she's been very modest, but yes, she's been part of the journey and she's helped him quite a lot. Thora limelight SJ se le lete. Yes, I think a big congratulations. I know he's a rock star in this arena. Jaka photo hai. So can I hear all his colleagues over here? His family and colleagues from BNI. Can you someone come on, yaar, BNI wale yahan pe thi kahan gaye ho gaye sare? Yes. So can you let us know about these awards? See, I know it's Synergy Award, that's why I'm asking, but what is it award for? Highest referral, highest visitors, maximum business given, right? And this is another trait of SJ where he's been a true giver in all aspects of his life. हमने सुना कि philanthropist है, but this is also helping in a very big way. So big round of applause for SJ again for being an amazing giver from the heart always. Can we have the video? Yes, you can forward it. It's okay. Just forward it a little bit. No problem. That's from Radio City. All the AV fans make some noise! I think I can hear SJ the loudest. All the AB fans make some noise! And this is, anyone can tell what is this exactly? Can anyone tell? Anyone from the team? I know there's a team also that helps in all these things, but can anyone brief us? So every one of us know what it is? Yes?
I am Rajesh Venka, good friend of SJ. So we both are part of ABEF. Several birthdays we attended, going to Bombay, meeting him in his bungalow, in his office. This is the first time I went with him on the 74th birthday of Amitabh Bachchan. So much it was crowded and I was not able to get in. Even he called me, but I was outside. So he picked me up and take me inside. We were there in his office for half an hour talking to him. So there was a lot of an opportunity, like 4 or 5 times I met Amitabh with SJ. So it was a different story, like Sunday he will call us for a time pass, like half an hour, 45 minutes we'll sit, but we have 25 members will go there. So it's a big opportunity with SJ. So much close is there with ABEF.
Yes, we know he's such a big fan of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and they have a team that does these activities, ABEF, right?
Yeah, ABEF.
Yes, can you tell the full form?
Amitabh Bachchan Extended Family.
क्या बात है, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for the ABEF team. I think they've been true heart Amitabh ji का fans हैं ये लोग. Amazing. Good to know the story again. Can we have the video? Some of his moments with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. क्या बात है. Now that's the rapport he shares with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इनके लिए यार. And part of so many social causes as well. So meanwhile, I request all our guests to start assembling in the lawn area. If you guys can hear me back there, I request all our guests to assemble near the lawn area for the cake cutting. On it also I request, we have a special act also by our artist. And also I request all our guests, I know you're enjoying the evening and that's why we are all over here, but I request to just make this moment very special. Request all our guests who are over there, the Kotia side. Okay. Alright. I'll give it to her. All right. So, West.
सबका आने के बाद पीछे जाओ सबका आएगा. Happy birthday.
Everyone, please come and join us for this beautiful. From Mumbai, who's come, Jotin Shah from Mumbai, Sagar Walani also from Mumbai, Mr. Ajay Tikiani from Mumbai, and then we have few from. Yes, so Suresh Narang. Yes, Suresh, कल आपके बेटे के साथ पार्टी किया, आज आपके साथ पार्टी करेंगे। बहुत ज्यादा सर, इज अ स्वीट हार्ट। ये अच्छा तरीका है शेड्यूल करने का। अनिल जी, ऑलराइट, सो यू हैव अ स्पेशल डेडिकेशन फॉर, यस।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये
साथ में हम लोग बैठते थे। I want all of them to view. We have some amazing wishes coming from different parts of friends, family, everyone. Be over here to view these amazing wishes that we have. Yes, that's one wish. Yes, have you other next?
ये हमारे 2016
Wow.
बच्चन सर की वजह से जो ये भाई बहन का स्पेशल रिश्ता फॉर्म हुआ।
Soon and lots of love. Happy birthday again.
The party just started. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Yeah, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. But there's some surprise for you guys as well. The dancing palki by Sam Shri's Kitchen. The gateway for the night.
पर तू तो कहंदी मैनू पसंद नहीं आया एलवी का बैग मैं तो तेरे लिए लाया पर तू तो कहंदी मैनू पसंद नहीं आया मुझको यारों ने रोका कहते थे खाएगा धोखा मैं ना छोड़ूं ऐसा मौका नो बोल पे मारूं चौका बेबी 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 का है गुदे बैश डैडी 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 से चुरा के गोवा जाके करती ऐश ओ बेबी एक बात तो बता तेरे बारे में सुनी है एक अफवाह हैप्पी बर्थडे साल में तू 4 बार मनाती है अपना एक ना खर्चे खर्चा
చూస్తారు ఒక కాదు కమ్ము కాదు కట్టులాగా ఏముంది ఈ కళ్ళల్లోనే అంతా ఉంది మీ బుద్ధి వంకర బుద్ధి అంటావా అమ్మవా అంటావా అమ్మవా అంటావా అమ్మవా
जय झूलेलाल मां सुरेश नारंग सिंधीज़ ऑफ चेन्नई जी तरफ़ों मां सुरेश जुमानी के तहे दिल से ईश्वर से प्रार्थना कंदमि भी भगवान हुनखे सुख संतोष शांति समृद्धि संतति संपत्ति संतान जो सुख हेलो ईश्वर जी कृपा रहे ईश्वर जी कृपा रहे ईश्वर जी कृपा रहे और गुरु जी कृपा रहे सदा सुरेश हस्ती में रहे मस्ती में रहे स्वस्थ रहे मस्त रहे हैप्पी बर्थडे सुरेश जुमानी
सुरेश जुमानी जो कोई मिस्टेक कोने सुरेश नारंग जो भी कोई मिस्टेक कोने ये आसान जो क्या है ना ये प्यार मोहब्बत जो को सिंधी है ना कभी कभी किसकी भी है उन्हें जो कभी गलत फहमी ना करो here माता के चाहों तो on behalf of Sindhis of Chennai city I could request only one thing I want a big wow means I'll tell you 3 2 oh
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चल रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले